So that our participants can dance and the program will go in order.
And of course, speaking of order, we would like to thank our PLAYO personnel, our enforcers, as well as our PNP for making sure that in order and there is safety, peace, and security here at our venue.
To Sir Michael Edison Dumas. Ayan, bago natin mas mapasok ang palakpakan si Sir Edison.
Dako, gyapon naton pasasalamat kaya aton mga invited na mga judges, and we hope that sila
Mabingay, the Ingeniosa Cultural Group of Kinsuromet National High School!
Brett Pauriba, Tarahanol, Wazon National School.
Pero magpapapirdi, let's welcome Kultura Samaranya of Samar National School!
Wow! Palakpakan natin another 5 competing schools, and we're hoping that from this year forward, tuloy-tuloy na ang ating pag-held of course had Mother of 2, 1,
Ayan, ayun po ang mga schools. We are here from Ingeniosa and
Comprehensive High School!
There we go. Ready na ba ito? Si London National High School!
Kinsuromet National High School!
Ipakita nyo kung sino kayo, Antonio G. Tuwason National High School!
And there's last but not the least, Samar National School!
Ready na natin ang each rounds. Ayan. So, we will be announcing our winners in this order. First are the 2 special awards, Best in Musicality and Best in Festival Costume. The Best in Musicality Award is of course the 10% criterion in the overall scoring system, and the Best in Festival Costume represents the 20% costume in the overall scoring system for this year's Managat Festival Showdown. This will be followed by the announcement of
The award goes to... Pinong? Pinong? Our Best in Musicality Award goes to Samar National School!
We're welcoming Grace for representatives from Samar National School.
Representatives from Samar National School, join us here on stage to receive your certificate.
So, our winner for the Best in Musicality Award will be receiving 10,000 pesos and certificate.
Yes. And we have one more special award before we review to you our total result. We have Best in Costume. Before we announce our Best in Costume, palakpakan po alay natin ang incorporating the folk dances, and of course, not leaving behind the spirit of Mananagat Festival reflected in your costumes. Kudos to your designers. And
Our Best in Festival Costume Award will receive 10,000 pesos and certificate.
Wow.
Ready na kita? Our Best in Festival Costume for this year's Mananagat Showdown goes to
our best in costume goes to Samar National School. We would like to ask a representative.
the two groups who will receive the consolation prizes of 50,000 pesos plus certificates.
However, we will be announcing only our top 3 performing schools, starting off with our second runner-up, first runner-up, and our grand champion.
Okay, to start with, ready na ba kita to know who will be this year's second runner-up for the 2023 Mananagat Festival Showdown? Second runner-up is
Our second runner-up is Calabarzon National Comprehensive.
first runner-up for this year's Mananagat Festival Showdown goes to Dino.
Is it going to be Silangan National High School?
Is it going to be Samar National School?
Is it going to be Kitsulungan National High School?
Or is it going to be Antonio G. Tuwason National High School?
And our first runner-up is
Our first runner-up is first runner-up for this year is King Suruna. Pesos. Going of course for the city government of Catalogan, as well as the Catalogan Tourism Office.
our 2023 Mananagat Festival Showdown champion is none other than Samar National School. And guys, congratulations to Silangan National High School and Antonio G. Tuwason. They will receive 50,000 pesos. And our grand champion will receive 200,000 pesos. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalugaringon.
Ayan,
For putting
congratulations!
congratulations to all our competing schools. And of course, nagbuma na ang iyong sleepless nights. I can imagine ang buo